Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, hey, my name is LaDon and this is the Nolyenapturallyme channel. In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how I do a dry wash and go using my Ride or Die Elucence Moisture Balancing Conditioner, a new gel for me called the Urban Hydration Avocado Argan Oil Coconut Curl Cream, and this is formulated for color treated hair, and it's supposed to support the moisture balance of your hair. That means that if you dye your hair or if you have very dry brittle hair, this is going to be bae for you. Hopefully. And that's it. Oh, I may use a little bit of Jamaican castor oil. I have fine hair, and I know that fine hair naturals are hesitant to use coconut oil on the hair, but it's a good addition to your moisture routine. Okay, so I'm just going to start out by dividing my hair into two sections. Just gonna twist this side. Because I have very fine hair, I don't usually do a bunch of different sections. If I do section my hair, I'll just do 2 sections or a maximum of 4 sections. Although this is a dry wash and go, I am going to add a little bit of moisture to my hair, only to make it easier to manipulate and to help the products to penetrate the hair better. But I'm only going to be using a very little bit of water. Alright, so I'm just going to take this mister and lightly mist the hair. And I've added a little bit of lavender oil to my spray bottle. So now I'm going to add just a bit of leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use just about this much and add it to this entire section of my hair. So I'm going to start out really just on the ends and then working the hair, working it further and further up the hair shaft. When you have fine hair, you don't want to put creams and things of that nature too close to the roots of your hair, otherwise it will weigh down the hair. I really like to do dry wash and goes because they dry much quicker. So if you have to get ready early in the morning, or you have like an event to go to or something of that nature, it just makes it super easy for you to do your wash and go or refresh your wash and go and have it dry really quickly without having to use a blow dryer. Okay, so that's that. Look at these grays, y'all. Can y'all see this? Oh, they are so annoying. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit more to my problem areas, which tend to be right here, right around my temples to my ear. And then right up in this area, I'm going to add just a little bit more leave-in conditioner. Alright, so now I'm going to go into this gel. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow. Oh, this smells very, very fresh. I like it. Alright, so I'm going to just quickly show you the texture of the product. This is a pretty thick gel, which is kind of surprising to me. I'm going to start off with just a little bit and work my way up. Yeah, it almost feels like a paste. Alright, so I'm just going to take this and use praying hands. Again, applying it the same way I did my leave-in conditioner. I didn't check this to make sure that these 2 products will work well together. Oh well. Okay, nice. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water again, but very little. This mister is perfect because it's not adding so much water that your hair is dripping wet. As you notice, like no water is dripping down here. And so it helps the everything to evaporate really quickly. Scrunch that, and then I actually want to just comb it through really quickly just to make sure that I've worked the gel through the hair. as much as possible. And now I'm just going to use my fingers a little bit, kind of shake the hair to encourage those curls. All right, and I'm going to go to the other side. All right, so now I'm just gonna, because I don't know where my comb is, just gonna do a little part there. Alrighty. And it's starting to dry. My hair is almost completely dry on this side, but I want to kind of mold my hair in the direction I want it to go. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this water on my hand and just kind of gonna go in like this to get the hair to move where I want it to. Okay. Alright, so far so good. I'm not going to mess with it too much. I'm going to let it dry for about 15 minutes. I'll come back and I'll show you the results. Okay, I'm back. My hair is, I would say it's probably 90% dry. I did decide to let my hair air dry rather than using a diffuser because I didn't add very much moisture to my hair at all. And when you're diffusing your hair, you really only want to diffuse it until it's about 70 to 80% dry. And my hair was already pretty close to that because I used the dry wash and go method. As you can see, the definition's really, really nice. Hold on, let me move in so you can see. So, my hair looks so thick, guys. You know, I have fine hair and my hair got even more fine, you know, with my autoimmune diagnoses. But I'm working my way back. All right, so obviously I have shrinkage, you know. So what I'm going to do is just try to get a little bit more hang time, and I'm going to use one of the techniques I've shared with you guys in past videos around stretching the hair without using heat. So all I'm going to use is this scrunchie. Don't judge me. It's old. It's got little hair knots on it and all that jazz. But yeah, this process works though. So I'm just going to take my hair and I'm going to pull it high on my head like I'm doing a pineapple. And I'm just going to hold it there like this on top of my head. I'm going to leave it like this for about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to pull this out now. Let the hair fall down and see how I'm getting a little more fullness here on top. That's what I wanted. And now what I'd like to do is have a little bit more hang time this way. So I'm just going to take the bottom of the hair like this, and I'm going to use, you could use a clip or you could use your scrunchie again. Just leave it like that for just a few minutes. It looks crazy, I know, but it does work. Alright, now see how this is a bit longer now? Alright, another way to get a little bit more volume is magic fingers. You're just going to take your fingers, put it in the hair, and rub back and forth on your scalp. That's a great way to get a little bit more volume as well. Alright, well, so far so good. I really do like this gel. As I mentioned to you guys, it has a great scent, but for those of you who are sensitive to scents, I do want you to know I cannot smell the product in my hair. And that's pretty true, I think, for most products. Once you open it, you can really enjoy that aroma. But once you apply the product and it dries, you don't really smell it. And that is the case with this. I don't smell it at all. My hair did not feel like hard. There wasn't like a hard cast. This has played beautifully. I'm just looking in my mirror. This has played beautifully with the leave-in conditioner I used. I suspect it will play well with most products, but I'm going to try it with a few others just to confirm that, and I'll do a follow-up video to this to let you know what I think about this product over the long term. The definition is absolutely beautiful. This little area here, which is my problem area, it is very coiled, you know, it's very curly and manageable. I really struggle with this area, especially since my autoimmune diagnosis. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this demo. It was so much fun to bring it to you. It was so much fun to try new products. I'd like to do a wash and go series. So if there are products you'd like to see me try for wash and go styles, please do leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys for all your support, and I will see you next time. Bye.